Solve these triangles then. These two and this, they all add up to 180, don't they? So 60, 90 and 10 is 100. So this must be 80 degrees to add up to 180. Now we'll try the sine rule first on these triangles. A over sine A, just write it down quickly, equals B over sine B, and we'll tick off what we've got. Doesn't take a moment to write it down. So this is side A, this is side B, this is side C. So we've got side A. We've got the sine of A, the sine of B, and the sine of C. 3 of any 4. So we can use these to get B, and we can use this one here to get C, can't we? So B then, it will be A sine B, A sine B, move that up, over sine A. A sine B, 5.3 times sine of 64 over sine of A, 36, sine 36. Okay, 5.3 times sine 64 divided by sine 36. 8.10 or 8.1. Now we'll use the C one. See it here? We can just use it. We don't even need to put B in, although we have got B now as 8.1 approximately. But if we use this one, we've got the accurate one for C. So it'll be A sine C over sine A, isn't it? A is 5.3. Sine C, sine 80 over sine A, sine 36. Okay, 5.3 times sine of 80 divided by sine of 36 bracket. 8.8 to 1 dp is C. Well, let's have a look again. 8.87, so it's 8.9. Oops, 8.9 to 1 dp. That was to 1 dp, wasn't it? So that's that one done. Now we've got 3 sides. We haven't got an angle, so the sine rule, if you look at it, we haven't got any of those. We've only got the top 3. We won't have 3 of any 4. So we need the cosine rule here, first of all. So the next one, A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. There's the formula then. So A is 9.78. No, A is here, B is here, and C is here. So 6.42 squared equals B squared. 8.31 squared plus C squared, 9.78 squared, minus 2 times B, 8.31 times C, 9.78. Cosine of A. So let's just move this number over here. Shall I work out that number first though? Save me writing it down. 2 times 8.31 times 9.78. Okay, 2BC. 162.5436, 162.5436, nice and accurate, perfectly accurate. Move that over to plus, lots of cos A is equal to, and this will be 8.31 squared plus this minus this, so I'm going to do that in one fell swoop on the calculator. 8.31 squared plus 9.78 squared. And then I'm going to move this over as well, minus 6.42 squared. 956511, 956511.8397. Oh, hang on. There's a slight error there. I thought it was rather large. It's 9.78. See it? There we go. That's better. That looks better. Because I was thinking it was looking a bit funny. 123.4881. 123.4881. That was this squared plus that squared minus that squared. So we can get cos A now, can't we? 123.4881 divided by this number here. 5436. So A is equal to. So that's in the answer. So it's shift cos ants divided by 162.5436. 40.56, so it's 40.6 degrees. So that's A. So that's the hard work done then. A is 40.6. So now what we can do is we can look at the sine rule and see what we can do with the sine rule now, because we've got another piece in the jigsaw. So we should only have to use the cosine rule once, really. We've got A, B and C, and we've got the sine of A, haven't we? So here we can get B from that one. So let's do that then. So I'm going to scratch this middle section of work out now, so I can work with a triangle here. Let's have a look at it then. Put it in here. Okay, so sine B, I'm going to move that up there. Sine B is equal to, and I'm going to move that up there, B sine A. And then move that back down to divide over A. B is 8.31. Sine of 40.6, which I think I've got in the calculator, over 6.42. So that will be more accurate, won't it? So let's have a look what that is. Yeah, there it is there in the answer. So that's ants. So it's 8.31 times sine of the ants divided by 6.42. There we go. 0.8416. 0.84. So that tells us what B is. Shift sine of that. Shift sine. Shift sine of the ants. 57.3 degrees. So there's B, which is good news. And now we can work out A, can't we? Because that adds up to 97.9. 97.9? 180. Take away 97.9, I think it was. 82.1. So I'll put it in the diagram. So 120.7, 121. 122.7, 123, 130, 180, yeah, that's fine. So that's those angles found then.